My people, the thing wey carry me come today, e dey break my heart. Una know say e get some kind things wey you go hear, your heart go shatter into pieces. Na the kind thing wey carry me come today, my people. I no know. Sometimes you know say e get the kind thing wey you go see, you go begin dey ask say, abeg, when this war sef, when God wan come scatter this one, make everybody go rest. Hello my correct ogbonge people, how una dey? Wetin dey sup, wetin dey shele? I don carry another one come meet una today. In case today na im be the first time wey you just dey waka dey come, come jam this my channel, oya kule make I introduce myself. Na me be the original Tatafo mama, the only mama wey get PhD for Tatafo. Yes, na me. On top of that, they come still carry and give me chieftaincy title. And the name wey dem dey call me na Mama Z, the original Tatafo mama. Oya my people, make we no waste time, make we just enter for wetin carry us come today.
Can you hold and make it be you? When you go Tony? Can you hold and make it be used? You don't show using. I'm going to check it. What I know? But I come again. Every day. And the maga no grandmother come. Madam. Happy I go for question. Not trying to and the grandmother got up. I'm on them. You didn't get on your mag 15. Go use check.
Mom, I'm already moving.
You must use it,
Yeah.
Get them money now. Mama take care of
On
Lagos. My grandmother go over there. Let me hear them. Madam. Yeah, you're a Calabar man. You're a Calabar man. What is your name? Miracle. You see what this young girl is saying? How old are you? 7 years old. What dear boy. Well, I'm going to wait for now. All this years old.
My people, tell me how this kind thing no go break your heart. Unless say your heart na stone. Even if your heart na stone, no how wey this thing no go break your heart. No na wait, make I explain to una small. In case of say you know they hear Igbo language, this na Biafran woman. Na im do this nonsense wey una dey see so. Na pikin wey dem live for im grandmama. I know say some of us, some people wey dey lucky wey be say dem dey for their grandmama hand grow, maybe because of say grandmama no get person wey with am stay, dem go carry you go keep for grandmama. Grandmama go dey carry you like egg. You no go even let anything happen to you. But look at this one. Small pikin like this, wey im mama live for im grandmama hand. Na so this woman just carry this pikin. Carry dey give all the men wey dey for that area. Anyone wey come, e go pay the grandmama. Na so e go carry pikin go kolobe the pikin. Una don hear this kind thing before? So all this one wey we dey talk say these people, this one do this one, this one do this one, sometimes we go dey teach our children pikin dem say make dem no dey follow these people, make dem run away from these people. How you wan think or know say na even grandmama you go take pikin make e run away from? Wetin this world come dey turn into? Why e be say people now na so evil na im full their body, na so evil na im full their mind? How human being go stay like this, think this kind thing? And this pikin say no be only once, so no be 2 times, talk less of 3 times. Say na every time na so. Pikin say dem go give im mama 1,000, give im mama 1,500. Na so im mama go dey allow all the whole men wey are there around there make dem dey colobia. This uncle wey you see so wey dey do eye wear like that, na another one wey this pikin say na every day na in this uncle dey colobia. And im grandmama know. Uncle go come carry 1,500 give im grandmama go carry am give uncle go dey colobia. Oh my God, my people, una know say this kind thing, if you hear this kind thing, wetin again you go think? No be to say God just come scatter everywhere, make everybody dey go. As e be say pikin no fit dey safe for im grandmama hand. If pikin no fit dey safe for im own grandmama hand, who again e wan dey safe for im hand? Only God know. Say this pikin say she dey 7 years old. Only God know when this woman start to dey do this kind thing. Na only God know how long wey this woman don destroy this pikin life. And the thing wey dey vex me be say dem just leave dem dey there dey do this kind thing. No be wetin dem for don really deal with them well. My people, this one tire me. This one really tire me. Oh, e tire me, my people. E tire me. E tire me. Na this kind one, na some people go say the evil wey people dey do now, say even devil himself fear them. Because even devil, na sure say devil go even fit do this kind one. My people, I no even know wetin I wan talk. Really, I no know. Because my heart dey bleed, my heart dey pain. This one shatter my heart pieces. I don't know how I want to talk this one, really, my people. This one really break my heart. I beg my people, make I leave una, because I don't dey emotional. No, make I just leave una. Make it dey like this until next time now. We go still carry another one come meet una. Na me still be the original Tatafo mama. The name wey dem dey call me na Mama Z. Una take care. Una bye yo.
What?